Yes, Abhishek, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Uh, so can we start for the designing part?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, fine. So everyone log in a Tinkercad. Just now I'm share with you a link of that Tinkercad. Everyone log in a Tinkercad and then start from. So first of all, everyone click on circuits, and after that you have click on create a new circuit. Create a new circuit. Yes. So your screen is look like this one, and then my first objective is to verify the truth table of a not gate. So what are the components is required for this? So first component is breadboard. So write down here a breadboard and select this breadboard is like this. Select the breadboard is like this one. And then what is the next component? So our the next component is power supply. Power supply. So here we have choose one of the power supply. That one is this one is the power supply. Yes. So what is the voltage here? Just a click on the power supply. See that here the voltage is 5 volts. Voltage is 5 volt. So now we have collect this one terminal is negative. So here we have connect the negative terminal is here. And for better convenience, you can choose this one as a black color, and another terminal is positive, and positive terminal is choose as a red color. So you can easily distinguish that which one is positive and which one is negative. That means, so here what is the voltage here? 5 volt. So throughout this point is a 5 volt, and here the ground, this black color is the ground. So throughout this point is grounded. I hope is that clear to all, for all. Next, what is the components? So we have used the not gate IC number. So not gate IC number is in the search bar, write down 7404. This is the not gate IC. Yes, this one is the not gate IC. And now the next component, for on and off, high and low, we can choose a diode. And in this diode having a two terminals. One is a anode, that is a positive terminal, and cathode, that is the negative terminal. So this cathode is connected to grounded, and output is connected to the anode terminal. So put here one diode, and this terminal is the cathode. So cathode terminal is grounded here. So this is grounded. Change in color is as a black. So you can identify this is grounded. And which pin is in this IC is grounded? 7 number pin is grounded. I hope everyone understood. And we can choose a 1 kilo ohm resistor. You can rotate this one like this. So for this, why we have used this resistor? For the protection of this LED, you can use here one resistor. Now, pin number 14 of this IC is plus 5 volt. So you can choose here as a red wire. I hope everyone understood. Another thing here, we can choose for the input. Here we can choose a slide switch. So this is a slide switch. Slide switch. So how to connect? So see that this one is the terminal 1, this is the common, and this one is the terminal 2. So here we can choose a common is as a input. So here we can choose a common is as a input. So which number of pin is the input? 1 number pin is the input. So choose here the color is the green wire. Input pin as a pin number, common pin. Yes. And this is a not gate. So if 1 is the input, then 2 is the output. So 2 is connected to here as a output. Is that clear? And now this terminal 1 and 2. So suppose that the terminal 1 is high. Suppose that the terminal 1 is high and terminal 2 is low. That means you can apply the terminal 1 is as a 5 volt and terminal 2 that one is a 0 volt. So right now this switch is shifted in left, so it's the input is high, that means 1, and when this switch is shifted to right, so it's the input is 0. So so our circuit is completed. So can we start a simulations? Okay, fine. Just see that. So now we start the simulation. Just check it. So what is the value here? The power supply 5 volt. That means this 5 volt is going from here. So this value is in the terminal 1 is high and terminal 2 is connected to 0, and this common is connected to pin number 1 and output is connected to a pin number 2, like this. And pin number 7 is grounded, pin number 14 is plus 5 volts. And this LED negative terminal cathode is grounded and positive is connected, anode is connected to a output side. So here right now what is the input here? Input is 1 because this slide switch is shifted in left hand side. That in that case these two pin are common, and these two pin are common, input is 1. So what is the output? Output is 0. That's why this LED is off. What is the next case? Next case is just shift this is to right. So when the switch is shifted to right, these two common pin and terminal 2 is sorted. And when the terminal 2 and common 2 is sorted, that means the input is 0. And when the input is 0, output is high. That's why this LED is blue. So in this way, you can verify the truth table of a NOT gate. I hope is that clear to all.